Hi there, Melody from WTI, and welcome to my princess fort. Let me show you why this princess fort is every little girl's dream. The Skywin Airtent Fort Princess Playhouse for Kids from Key Savings is just what you need. It comes with the tent, a little bag, and then little Velcro pieces that you would attach to your square fan that is not included, so it will be secure as you inflate it with your fan. Super easy setup and super fun for the kids to play in. It's got a little zipper here on the little door on the side for them to come in and out. On the opposite side, it's got a little bit of a window in there so you could see what's going on and all the fun that they're having. Lots of room in here. I absolutely think it's the cutest little thing. Constant airflow, so it's perfect. It's not stuffy. And I love that the kids are outside playing. And this air tent is perfect for any kind of living room fort, bedroom fort. Saves a mess. And they can still have their little fort that they build to keep themselves busy. And it has these little bags attached at the bottom with weights in them, so it's going to keep your air tent from flying away once it's all inflated. Such a pretty print for little princesses, and the material reminds me of the parachutes we used to play with in the gym when we were kids. And when you're done, you just turn off the fan and all the air goes out. And it's easy to just fold up, pack up, and put it away for the next play day, the next rainy day, the next day they just want to have a little fun. So because this comes in so many different prints, it's going to be awesome for little girls, little boys, even grown adults if we want to party. Anyways, I'm very impressed with this air tent, and I know you will be too, and that's my point of view.